Hello everyone. So I'm going to explain how to complete the choice boards really quick. So right here I've included an example from a previous choice board. So this was about area and perimeter. So right here, choice number 1, this person has included an explanation of area. So I can see that right here they picked this choice here and they gave a real life example. Then they pick this choice down here, draw a rectangle on your workspace, roll a dice to determine the dimensions of the rectangle, and determine the area and perimeter. So right here I can see for choice 2, here's their rectangle, I see area and perimeter, and that has been repeated several times. So that's all you need to do. Pick 2 choices, just label choice 1, choice 2, and show your work or write out your explanation. So today you have I'll show you an example from our fraction boards. Right here, I'm going to point something out for the M. It says choose 5 fraction cards. We might not have fraction cards, but you can use the digital fraction bars that I posted in Google Classroom before. So let's find one to demonstrate. I'm going to look at this one. When comparing fractions, how does looking at the denominator help you? Use this example in your answer. So I could say something like, let's say choice 1 and then I'll type out and explain my answer. So I can say the bigger the denominator, the smaller the piece. So we have 2/4 and 2/12, so we know 12ths are going to be very tiny pieces. It's like if you had to share a pizza with 4 people, or if you had to share a pizza with 12 people. With 4 people, that's less people to share it with, so that means more pizza for you. So we can say 12ths are smaller Okay, now choice number 2. Let's see. Let's do this. Find 2 fractions with the same numerator but different denominators. Compare them using less than, greater than, or equal to. Repeat this 5 times. So you can choose what types of fractions you're using. So remember, it says same numerator, so the same number on top, but different denominators. So I could say 5/6 and 5/8. And we need to compare them with greater than, less than, or equal to. Put some spaces in between. Oops. So if they have the same numerator, we can compare the denominator. And this kind of goes with choice 1. So remember, the bigger the denominator, the smaller the piece. So 5/6, 6 is the smaller denominator. 8 is a larger denominator. So that means 5/8 is less than 5/6. So we want to type in 5/6 is greater than 5/8, like that. And it says to repeat this 5 times. So I'll pick 5 different pairs of fractions. So I could say 1/10 and 1/5. So, is 1/10 greater than, less than, or equal to 1/5? Think, would you rather have 1/10 of a pizza or 1/5 of a pizza? 1/10, because 10 is a bigger denominator, is smaller than or less than 1/5. Okay, just like that. So you can write out your answer choices on a piece of paper, or at the very end of the slides, there's some slides if you'd like to try and work it out on the Google Slides, that's fine too.